Right, so hope everyone's doing okay. So a quick demo of another spring type snare or twitch up snare, and this is in camp life and the tricks of trapping. So you got the spring stick, two snares, a string that comes down the middle with a knot in it, and the knot passes through a small bit of wood with a hole in it, and that is held in place with a stick poking up, and your cross piece is held by two, one there and one there with a notch in it, and they would be hammered into the ground hard. The framework could be whatever, you know, it could be pushed in or just a little frame built with some sticks. And I've just added, because this string is very hard to make it stay open, it's just natural jute cord, somewhat what you could replicate in the wild. I've just used a piece of grass each side to hold the snare open, otherwise the snare just kind of loosely hangs very badly. And then on the middle one in there is where you put the bait. This was intended for partridges, I think. It's either partridges or quail. I'll double check and I'll put the relevant title on. But for kind of, you know, game birds, go in, peck that. And what they was hoping was you'd have loads of birds around the trap and have one each end and catch two at the same time. If you didn't, you'd still got more chances because you've got a snare at each end. So I'll just move the camera around so you can see it a bit better. You can see there the knot. So on that one hanging down, that stick hanging down, is where you'd put your bait. So no matter what way the animal came in, it would peck around at the stick and then be caught. So to set it, there's your knot. Push the knot through the hole and take this stick and push that up inside the hole. You can take this out and do it like this. Put that in there, put your stick in, pull this down and set it back between the two notches of the upright sticks, making sure you don't get smacked in the face if you do accidentally set it off. So like I said, these natural cord snares, they'd hang badly, so you have to kind of use something to peg them open. Right, anyway, quick demo of that. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.